Hello, hello. Today is Christmas Day, 2018. I'm really sick as a dog, so I'm not going to be able to do my standard analysis. My last call said there was support under Friday's low, and if it held and we gapped up, could have a good rally. Instead, we gapped sharply in the undesired direction, killing the call before the open. This price gets added to the list. 3 prices get taken off. We showed Fibonacci support the other day. This is a trend line going back 10 years plus. You can see how it's held pretty well, and now we've gapped under it. All we need is to trade a bit lower for confirmation. That line should be resistance instead of support. My volume indicator just isn't paying off. These were the failed targets from 2017. They looked completely out of reach, but now all but 3 of them have printed. This one's even been seen in futures. Shouldn't be long before they're all seen. The numbers print, they just don't print when you want them to all the time. Tomorrow, looking for the pattern with the early high, late low. Usually it's a down day, unless you move sharply up first, and that's today's call.